Hey guys, Disney Collector here with Pocoyo's birthday party. Time to open the box. So here we have a lot of blocks. These blocks are just like Lego. And you can build Lola, Pocoyo, Ellie the pink elephant, and Pato. Here's Pocoyo. 2 blocks can make 1 Pocoyo. And the party hat. Here's a little present in a blue block. Let's build Ellie the elephant. See? 2 blocks, 1 Ellie. Now we're gonna build Pato, the yellow duck. Pato and Lola. Lola is the puppy. Here's the caterpillar. Music box to get the party going. Baby bird on a yellow block. Birthday cake on a pink block. Yellow block, red block, white block with a lot of balloons on it. See, you have yellow, red, green, purple, orange, and blue balloons. Green block, blue, and red block. Today's Pocoyo's birthday, and he's so happy to have a birthday party. And the cake. Here's some music. And all of Pocoyo's little friends are here. Here you go, Pocoyo, a birthday present. Yay! To celebrate Pocoyo's birthday, we're also gonna make him a birthday cake with PlayDough. With yellow, blue, red, and green PlayDough. We're also gonna use some tools, like a roller, 1 cutter to make the perfect cake, a plate, and 1 little knife. So let's start molding. First, we're gonna need a little bit of PlayDough from each color. Yellow, red, green, and blue. Now we're gonna roll and cut. We have here the first layer of cake. Now the yellow. Roll and cut. Second layer of cake. Now blue. Third layer of cake. And red. See, we have here 4 layers of cake. Now, what else do you think we need? Oh yeah, candles. We're gonna make 3 candles because Pocoyo is only 3 years old. One, two. Let's make this one a little bit taller. So it's 2 and 3 candles. Make a wish, Pocoyo, and blow out the candles. Time to cut the cake. And this first piece of cake goes to Pocoyo. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from PlayDough and Pocoyo right here on Disney Collector.